applying premium tips for compelling company updates. With over 9 billion content impressions delivered weekly in the platform, relevant content can get buried among the many posts that are released on a daily basis in the LinkedIn feed. Company updates are a very powerful way to reach and engage the professional audience that you're after nonetheless. To help you drive better results, we have put together a list of well-crafted, premium tips to make your company updates more compelling to the people that matter the most to your business. Optimize your creative. You want to make your creative copies to stand out in the sea of sponsored content if you want a piece of the pie. Thankfully, there is just a right amount of things that you can do to optimize your ads for a better campaign. Introductions and headlines. Use concise and brief intros and headlines in your message. A quote from inside your content can do wonders to drive curiosity and clicks from your leads. A headline should always include a clear call to action, such as an invitation to click on a link. Using questions in your headlines to ignite conversations is also a great strategy. Using rich media. To really stand out in the LinkedIn feed, you'll need to upgrade the way you use visual elements in your creatives. Using images and videos in your content can boost comment rate up to 98%. YouTube videos specifically can increase share rate up to 75%, as they directly play in the LinkedIn feed. Keep up with your audience's interests. In order to keep your audience engaged, your content will have to stay true to their interests and needs. In general, this means giving a given audience what they want and nothing else. There are, of course, some key things that you need to adhere to when delivering content to any audience on LinkedIn. Make your content easy to consume and valuable. The majority of the people that you will engage on LinkedIn are, just like you, busy. Bear this in mind when you deliver content to them. Make it brief yet valuable, to the point and easy to digest in one sitting to foster sharing among peers. Try to limit your content to 1,600 words at most. Don't hyper-target audiences. Hyper-targeting occurs when you target too many types of prospects in only one audience. It can give you a greater outreach, but it will not necessarily translate as more conversions. Targeting too many types of people at once can make you exclude and lose better leads for your business. Try multiple content styles. Test what your audience prefers by posting inspirational, informational, and educational material at different intervals. Check to see which kind of content your audience responds to better. Manage your company updates the successful way. Your company page will get to a point where its followers alone will be enough to test which pieces of content would perform the best if sponsored. Before promoting a story or long form, make sure to check how well it's performing in terms of views and comments. The one with the largest number is the one that you should promote. Additional tips that work are don't get tied to the calendar. While it is a good idea for you to stick to an editorial calendar, you must also be able to respond to news and events in real time. Also, don't limit yourself to workdays. 57% of LinkedIn members access the platform from their smartphones, especially on weekends, when rapid bouts of content checking are more likely to occur. Participate. Active participation is a significant part of engagement. If you respond to your audience comments, monitor discussions, remove inappropriate comments, and personally handle relationships with customers, your audience will advance from being a group of passive participants to becoming an active community.